In this video, we will see how to link an analyst rule asset to the rule intent of a business term. We will also create a rule specification to describe the rule intent for a business term. A rule specification represents the data requirements of a business rule in logical form. We open the business term broker. The rule intent in the business term specifies that the SSN of brokers must be verified. To the rule intent, we will add a rule called check SSN that contains the details of how the SSN can be verified in the database. We open the check SSN rule from the library workspace. The rule opens in the design workspace. From the actions menu, we click show linked business terms. We click the add icon to link a business term to the rule asset. We configure the properties. From the select glossary drop-down, we select the Hermes Insurance glossary and open the business term broker. We link the rule to the rule intent from the business term. We complete the task by clicking finish. After we have linked the rule to the business term, we can view the related rule asset in the related assets section of the business term broker. Glossary consumers who look up the term can see the rule in the related assets section. Optionally, they can open the check SSN business rule and understand the logic used to enforce the rule. We can repeat these steps to link a data asset to the business term. Next, to build a rule specification from a business term, we open the term issued share in the glossary workspace. We edit the business term to define a rule intent called share matching rule. After we click edit, we add a rule intent to the rules property. We click save and continue. The analyst tool saves the business term and reopens it for edit. We will launch Rule Builder. We click the add icon in the rules property next to the rule that we added. The rule specification opens in the design workspace. We verify the name and description for the rule specification. We select a location for the rule specification. We click save. In Rule Builder, the business terms which have a has a and is a relationship with issued share are populated as inputs. Optionally, we can define the rule logic. We save the rule specification to the model repository. We have now created a rule specification and we have associated it with the rule intent for the business term. We can view the rule specification in the related assets section of the business term issued share. That completes this demo. To summarize, we linked an existing rule to a rule intent defined in the business term. We created a rule specification from a business term to provide context about the business logic used to enforce the rule intent.
If you have feedback on this demo or to request a demo on another topic, email us at infa_documentation@informatica.com. You can also tweet us on the InfaSupport Twitter site.